As people age, their ability to grip things reduces. What we found with a lot of the utensils that are currently on the market is that they are not shaped in a way that allows people to hold things in a 45-degree angle or in a neutral wrist position. This handle and this grip on the utensil allows people to use lots of different grips. So, you could use what we call a pincer grip, which is kind of the one that you use for a key. You could use a big fist grip, or you can use a tenodesis grip to kind of help with scooping things up and actually being able to use the utensil functionally in everyday tasks at home. We spent quite a lot of time working with Sebastian and the team to kind of try and figure out what kind of grip and what kind of handle we should have and what kind of material it should be made out of, so that it can capture a large group of people who struggle with being able to hold things and being able to use things in their kitchen.
It's much easier to snap something that's magnetic onto a magnetic rack than it is to try and hang something onto a hook. Our aim was to really try and create something that actually, it looks great in any kitchen, but it gives you the added functionality which you just don't get. There aren't many products that really help people but also look great.
What I've noticed with Eyra is that they really understand and they're really empathetic to this situation, and they have realised that getting old doesn't mean that you have to put up with second best.
At Eyra, we want to rid the world of those unattractive items you see cluttering up the homes of older people. I mean, they need to be functional, these products, but they can also be beautiful. So join us and back and share our campaign, and together we can make product design for older people better. Thank you.